We moved here in 2021 so that we could be closer to family and a good school for the kids. Our eldest had just started primary school that year. When the pandemic hit, my wife and I found ourselves spending a lot more time at home. We still work from home most days, and between the two of us we get an extra 6 hours a day, which we use for taking care of ourselves and the kids, and that's been great. Of course, working from home means using more electricity, so we're lucky we made the switch to solar as soon as we bought the house. We'd actually had Solaray install an Enphase solar system at our previous home and had such a great experience that we decided to do the same thing here. It was a no-brainer. We knew it'd offer a great return on investment. We can see directly on the Enphase app when we're producing the most power. We've now adjusted our behavior to use more electricity at the times when we're producing it. Things like using the washing machine and oven and even recharging power tool batteries during the day. Plus these days there are more smart devices making it easier than ever to ensure we're using electricity at the best time to add to the savings. We produce way more energy than we use, so we've been able to offset our gas bill from the credits we get back from feeding electricity back into the grid.
Having repeat customers like the Sagars is a testament to our quality-first approach. We've spent years building a business around offering smarter, safer solar. As homes become increasingly electrified and more people begin to drive electric vehicles, having smart solar really protects customers by ensuring their systems evolve with their needs. Choosing quality options, like the Enphase system, ensures customers enjoy more savings, more benefits, more adaptability in the years to come.
So the really exciting thing about Enphase solutions is that it makes it so easy for homeowners to add onto their system or integrate battery storage or use it as a core part of their energy management for their home. Plus, because the Enphase systems are all online, they can easily adapt if there's any changes to the regulations or the grid requirements. A simple software update and the customer's Enphase products can keep working seamlessly and keep themselves current.
Before I worked for Solaray, I was a Solaray customer and chose an Enphase system for my own home. I knew the Solaray team wouldn't recommend something that they wouldn't be happy with themselves, which is why I had no hesitation in choosing Enphase for my own home a few years ago. I wanted that same safety and reliability that the Solaray team member I spoke to enjoyed with their own home.
We've been so impressed by the results we've had with Enphase and the team at Solaray that we've now decided to expand our system by adding battery storage. We can't wait to enjoy even more advantages from solar.